Hi, I am here to teach you how to make an animated avatar simply by CapCut. First of all, we need a character for our video. Here is a website called Lexica Art that will help you to create a character. You just have to write detail about your character. Download the character you want. I like this character and this background from my avatar. Here is a website called PhotoPay that help us to erase whatever you want from picture. Now, upload the picture. Now you have to remove lips from the character face. Select the area through eraser tool. And boom, there is a final image we have. Here is a website RomaBG that help you to remove the background of the image within 3 simple steps. After removing the background, we have to import all the items. We download a green screen video of moving lips. To remove the green area, select the image, select the color picker option and select the green area of the image decrease. Now you just have to adjust the layers and your avatar is ready. Here is the final result. If you like my video, don't forget or subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update.